see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We'd love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTubes. We're retired, it's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTubes.
Well, today is the day. We're booking our cruises this October. This is the start. Here we go. We start on the Norwegian Encore and go for 21 days starting on October 13th and going to November 3rd. It leaves from
Seattle, Washington,
then it goes to San Francisco, California.
Los Angeles, California,
Next is Cabo San Lucas, Mexico.
Puerto Vallarta, Mexico,
Traveling to Manzanillo, Mexico. I hope I said that right.
Manzanillo, but that's okay. Acapulco, Mexico,
Then we go to Puerto Quetzal, Guatemala.
and Punta Reyes, Costa Rica.
The next stop is Panama City, Panama, where we do a daytime traverse through the Panama Canal.
Then Cartagena, Colombia.
And Georgetown, Grand Cayman.
Finally ending up in Miami, Florida.
If you've enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. Tell all your friends about it. Maybe join us on the trips. So our next videos are going to concentrate a little bit more on what the excursions are at each of the different ports on all 3 of our cruises.
Right.
So I look forward to telling you about
Yeah.
all those excursions.
So if you see a blurb over my head here, maybe over Susan's head there, click on that video and you can lead yourself down the merry path to all the adventure that we're going to have over the next 70 plus days on this trip.
Or we might go down a different path and do completely different kinds of videos. We'll let you know.
But it'll definitely be travel and cruise related, because that's the main goal of our retirement. Is we retired early so that we could do a lot of travel before
Oh, you're thinking maybe we should do an origin story. Or maybe why we're doing this trip.
That's right.
We've got some ideas.
You'll see a blurb here, 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 there. We don't know where we're going to put them or where YouTube is going to put them.
We're just starting out.
So, see you on the next one.
Bye.
We're retired, it's time to cruise. Where will we go next? What will we see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We'd love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTubes.